So a couple things that I want to, really think about in a presentation like this is the equipment setup that we're using. So the rod that I'm using here is actually Johnny Moore's Signature Series, a little bit shorter in length, 6'8", but you'll see that it has really good backbone. It's a medium, extra fast action, so nice flexible tip for when you get those hook sets in, but a lot of backbone to get a good hook set as well too. As far as the line goes, very typical in what I'll use in almost any jigging situation. 8-pound fire line for my main line, attached to a fluorocarbon leader, just a couple feet here, 10-pound Berkley 100% fluorocarbon. Something to think about. We're fishing in 20 to 25 feet of water roughly, and a lot of times with plastic situations I'm going to be using a heavier jig to get that plastic down to the bottom quicker. This is a scenario because we're using live minnows. I want a lighter jig. This is actually a 3/16 ounce jig right here, and I want a slower fall rate. I want that fish to be able to key in on that minnow and jig coming down at them, and so they follow it down to the bottom. So a little bit lighter jig, super line, fluorocarbon leader, a little bit shorter rod to make sure you're making those pitches precise and right on the fish. And this time of year, you put a minnow in front of them with the light jig, and they're gonna eat it.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.